All right, third graders, I have a very exciting announcement for everyone. The chicks are coming. Okay, so I went to school and I got my incubator. And Mrs. DiMartino was super nice enough to go to the farm and deliver eggs to my house, which Jack and Charlie are super excited about being my assistants for. Jack's my video man right now, and he's agreeing.
Yep.
All right, so I thought you might be interested in seeing how everything gets set up, okay? So this is the base of the incubator, and as you can see underneath, there's a tube here, and that connects where you pour the water in from outside to here. So this water chamber works in two ways, one of which is after the chicks hatch, which isn't for 3 weeks, then they can, potentially get some water out of it to drink. But the most important feature is that it provides humidity inside. So this top sort of acts like a greenhouse, and it keeps it humid inside so that it's kind of resembles what it would be like if a real chicken was sitting on top of her eggs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little shield in the water tank, just so that I know that in the future, when my chicks start hatching, that they will be protected, that they can't fall into the water. Then I'm going to take my egg disc, and so you can see how there's different shaped holes for different type of eggs. We are using the biggest holes for chick eggs. So I'm going to put it down there. And then I'm going to fit this dome on top. I also have this hatching mat, which will come in handy down the road, and I'll explain that once the chicks are hatching. It kind of gives them a space to kind of have friction and be able to move easier. But this won't come into play until much later. So we'll put that to the side. This is a really cool machine though, because this turns every so often, and you can see this gear here connects with the side of the egg disc like that, kind of like the inside of a clock, and it causes this to rotate. So I'm going ahead and I'm setting this up. It's actually Tuesday today, the 21st, and I am getting this all set up so that the humidity and everything is all ready for the eggs tomorrow. So I have my trusty assistants here to help me. So we have to make sure that all the settings are correct. So Charlie, for the temperature, it's going to be 37.5 degrees Celsius, or what is that going to be in Fahrenheit?
99.5.
Okay, excellent. So our temperature setting is good. How many days?
For
21?
21.
Okay, so we're going to set it for 22, just because we don't have them yet. Oops. Okay, yeah, see it says 4, that's way off. Okay, T mode, turning mode, we want it to be on automatic, right?
Yes.
Okay, it is, good. Turn intervals, what does it say?
45 minutes.
Every 45 minutes, okay, we got that. Turn angle?
It's 5.
Awesome.
Alarm high is 2.0 Celsius.
Oh,
and it would be 3.6 Fahrenheit.
Okay, good. 3.6 Fahrenheit. Awesome. Alarm.
Alarm low would be 5.4.
Okay,
Fahrenheit.
Awesome. And so that's if the temperature goes above or below what it's supposed to be, then an alarm will go off. So that's awesome.
And the cooling would be minutes off.
Off?
It says off.
Okay, so off. Where's off? Okay, we're gonna go to off. Awesome.
And then
we want ours on Fahrenheit. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Safe, right?
Safe, yeah.
Okay, we're ready to go. So I'm gonna wait until my temperature gets to 99.5, which hopefully will be tomorrow, and we'll get some water. I'm gonna pour some water in so that it can get humid in there. Bingo. All right, so Charlie and I have been putting all the eggs into the incubator very carefully. And so we have 14 eggs. We will keep them in the incubator.
And as you can see, there are a bunch of different colors. They're not all the same shade.
Yeah, so that means they're probably going to come out looking a lot differently as well. So we're going to cover them up and let them be in their nice toasty incubator that turns them every 45 minutes, and we will get to peek inside next week in 8 days and see how they're growing.